Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This Halloween gives customers a reason to check out faster. Add a countdown timer in Shopify checkout and watch urgency turn into conversions. I will show you how it will look like in your Shopify checkout page. So now you can see that this timer block is running on your checkout page, which is interesting, right? So let's check how it can be configured. Before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. The more Shopify tips are on the way. So for this, I have used Checkout Ninja app, which is available on Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just grab it from there. And this app will be available only for the Shopify Plus members. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create Advanced Block. Now I have already set up a timer block which is in active state. So I will just explain how it will look like or how it can be configured. So now we have to add the title as first. I have given a title name as timer here. You can give any as you wish. And we can also set some rule here, like by adding conditions. There are multiple conditions available here. So by adding this, you can just club some rule with this block to get active. But I'm not giving any rules for now, so I'm skipping the part. And in the blocks part, we can choose our type as the timer. There are multiple other blocks available. So just go for the timer blocks. Now you can also set the time in minutes here, and you can also add some snippets like this. I have also attached, if you need the snippet, I have also attached the snippet code in the description box. You can just make or edit this one as per your offer dates. If you need 8 days or if 10 days from this time to that time, those details you can edit from here. And what it should show after countdown, those message you can configure from here. And there are multiple templates available. You can choose any. I'm just adding default as for now. You can also set some background color from here, maybe green, red, gray, yellow, like that. And after adding all this, make sure that you have turned the status to active. And after that, just copy your block ID from here and then click on Open Checkout Editor. Now click on Customer Block Session and move to Checkout. Now here we have to add our block ID. Since I have already made one timer, I am not adding multiple for the sake. See, I have created two now. So I'm not adding now. So adding all these details, I'm just removing one now. So we can also set the position of this timer block in the checkout page. Let's say I'm removing one block. So if I need this block to be shown in my order session, then I have to drag it from here and place the block in the order summary. Now you can see that the block is moved from the main to order summary. So that's how you run a Halloween sale with a checkout timer in Shopify. A simple way to boost conversion and protect every sale. After that, just don't forget to click on save and then you can check it out from your own store. Now you can see that the timer block is running in your checkout page. So if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel and please do comment, like and share. Thanks for watching.